I'm managing the controls team and the critical systems team and the biomedical team. So all those different crafts and work orders they do, and all the capital projects and even operational projects that we have throughout the year. Through eMaint, all the many work orders that come through different crafts, eMaint is crucial for just managing all the work, seeing all the engineers that I'm supervising, their productivity, and just making sure that things get done and done well.
The scheduled work orders has been very helpful. I know when the tests are due, I know when they're coming up, and sometimes I have to initiate that test. Sometimes it's something that is brought to us. If the fire department is gonna come by once a year, I know what month it's gonna be coming, so I can do preemptive walks prior to make sure that there's nothing just hanging out in the middle of nowhere. And so it helps me prepare for those kind of events, as well as when the scheduled work order comes out, I am able to then create follow-up work orders immediately from that. So if we have a fire system test and there are deficiencies found from that, I can create follow-up work orders from that then allow for the paper trail to be used so that when the fire department comes and asks, hey, how did this report go? I can say, here's the deficiencies and here's our follow-up work order showing the completion goes along with that. The environment of care is a very important thing for our healthcare side of the business. eMaint has helped because we have 6,100 employees. Many of them are nurses who are overworked. They're feeling the stresses of dealing with the kind of patients that they're dealing with. One area that we've tried to improve on is making it easier for them to report facility-related issues. And so getting more interaction with them and get forward-facing with them and showing them how easy it is to use eMaint. And oftentimes that's, I walk in the hallway, I say, tell me about your issues. They say, oh, we have this, we have this, we have this. I say, let's go to your computer. You can log in and I will show you through the app exactly how to put in a request. And in a matter of a minute, they've done it. And now they know how to do that in the future. So now they're a little bit more self-serving. The question of how do I get this done is now answered for them. So it makes our job easier because now they're telling us in real time when there's issues present rather than us having to go out there and find them. Because we can go out there and find them. So.
My favorite thing about eMaint is that it feels pretty intuitive. It feels like I can go to any sort of, if I've never seen, for example, at this conference, it was the first time seeing like interactive plans. And I was like, oh, I didn't even know that was there. And going back up to my room and playing with it at night, I was like, yeah, this is really straightforward, And so it feels like that's how it is with most features. And so that's one of my favorite things where I think where it can feel complicated for some, I feel like for me, it feels very intuitive.